Hello, and this is a little video for people that may be just starting on YouTube or may just be looking for an upgrade. Now, I'm not going to be here to tell you that you should be buying this microphone and that microphone. This is just my recommendations from my own personal preferences and experience. And because I've only used 2 condenser microphones, well, I've used a lot of headphones from headsets, and headsets I don't really recommend. But condenser mics, all the way. So first of all, we're going to go with the cheapest option. The cheapest option is the BM800. Now, this is what I personally bought and used. Now, I got this for around £17. I was trying to look up some prices for it, but I couldn't find the exact price. But you're going to be looking around £22. The reason I couldn't find the exact price is because, well, when I looked, they were completely out of stock. But you know, they'll be back in stock by the time that either you're watching this video or by the time it's been about an hour or so since I've made this video. It could be in stock. You never know. So just gotta wait and see. I don't like that. The first microphone, of course, the cheap option, is the BM800. It's a condenser mic that I used for about a year, and it's pretty damn solid. It's a bit tinny, and you're not going to get the full range of your voice out of it, but it's great for starting off. Now, the thing with condenser mics is that they need additional power. Power that isn't going to be given through a XLR cable to 3.5. You're going to need a phantom power. Now, a phantom power is one of these devices here that actually give your mic a bit of extra voltage to get it going. Now, with this one, I personally had the issue of it having a hiss. It was very faint, but it was really annoying. Now, you can fix this in Audacity, which is a free recording and editing audio software. So all you do is record your voice and then highlight the bit that is hissing. Use Sound Remover to highlight and learn that noise, and then select the entire track, Control and R, and that will remove all of the hissing from the track. But it will mean that when you or begin a new word, it will make a weird sound, which can be hidden over in the sound of music or gameplay footage or whatever. So it can be hidden, but this mic isn't going to be great for anyone recording an instrument or singing, unless you're staying in the middle range in the vocals. As soon as you go high or low, it's going to suffer. And especially when you're singing loud, that microphone cannot absorb loudness. It just distorts. And now, we're going to say in the cheap, and this is going to spill over to putting the price up, because I've only used one boom mic stand for a condenser mic, and it's this. It's the newer microphone suspension boom scissor arm stand. This is what I use, and it is fantastic. Like, for the price of £9.50, you can get a really good stand, and this I haven't had any issues with it. It's literally perfect. Now, I've seen some reviews saying that, you know, it wears, and yeah, it's gonna wear. It's £9.50, it's gonna wear over time, but I've had this about a month, and it's been fine. But again, that's only a month. In another month from now, I could be saying, oh, it's broken, don't buy it. But for now, I'm saying, you can trust it. Now, we're moving over to what I use and what I recommend. What I use currently is the Audio-Technica AT2035 condenser microphone. It is awesome. I love it so much. I was originally going to buy the Audio-Technica AT2020 because of Achievement Hunter. I've been watching their Let's Plays for years. I found out what microphones they use and was like, damn, I need to get one of them. But they were sold out, so I got the AT2035, and I love it. I love this microphone so much. So if you got the money, if you got £150, this is the microphone that I recommend for you. It is a Behringer UMC 204 HD. This is what I use, and I'm really impressed by the quality. For £70, you can plug 2 mics in, and you've got all these options, and it has MIDI capabilities. It is brilliant. You don't get any hiss, you got gain control, you got 2 mic ports, you got multiple fucking knobs to do whatever the hell you want with, you got a headphone jack for really good headphone usage, and that MIDI support is fantastic. For 70 quid, It really is a good fucking deal. I really believe that you should get one of these if you are serious about doing this, about recording YouTube videos and wanting great audio. I highly recommend these. Now, some people might be able to give you a better deal or maybe a better product. They might be able to. I don't know. I'm only pointing you to what I'm aware of and what I use personally and what I have used. So I'm not going to be going, you should go and use the BW Summit, because I haven't used it. I can't give a fair review or opinion. So this is just what I've used and what I recommend. And I'm very happy with my current setup. I don't see myself ever upgrading, to be honest. Anyway, guys, that's my little video on the products that I recommend. And yeah, if you like it, if you want to see the links or any of the products, or if you have any recommendations that you can give that you know are better than mine, go into the comments and let other people know. This isn't a video about me saying, look at my setup. This is a video of me saying, this is what I recommend, and if you know better, you share it. Give some people some extra opinions, because you know, what you like with audio is very up to you. If you like a certain sound and you like that certain sound. If you like the sound of this microphone, get this microphone. If you don't, look in the comments. Maybe somebody's commented and actually wrote something productive. Maybe. You know, you never know. You never know. So, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, see you next time. Ta-ra.